Turn fallen leaves into beautiful works of art with this autumn craft from Artistro. Begin by going on a hike to collect fallen leaves, and then the magic begins. Make sure to watch this tutorial until the end to see all of our 3 tutorials. Paint the leaves with Artistro acrylic paint pens and then press them to paper to make leaf prints. Make sure to use different colors to make prints more colorful. Voila! Look at this amazing print. Now let's add some phrases with Artistro black extra fine marker to turn these prints into cards. Learn how to activate Artistro paint pens in this video. What a cute gift for your close ones, and also fun entertainment for kids. What about this maple leaf? Watch our tutorial for more amazing leaf painting ideas. Grab an Artistro white paint pen and use beautiful fallen leaves as canvases for doodle designs. Pro tip: press leaves inside a heavy book for about 10 days. Then draw on them with Artistro paint markers. To add a bit more strength and shine, seal the finished leaves. How do you like it? Let us know in the comments. Keep watching for one more idea you'll definitely fall in love with. Outline the leaf with a pencil. Use watercolor paint to create a galaxy look-like drawing. Wait until the paper is completely dry and start drawing trees with gray and dark gray Artistro medium tip markers. Finish the trees with a black marker. Add a moon and stars with a white paint pen. How do you like it? Give a thumbs up to these amazing autumn leaf crafts. Subscribe for more craft ideas, interesting tutorials, and painting hacks.